What's good, future millionaires? We back with another banger. I'm DecemberDeMarco, Fortune 500 marketer, here to share my insights of the market with y'all to hopefully help y'all become better informed investors, man. Salute to y'all for pulling up on the channel. Make sure you hit that thumbs up like button for the YouTube algorithm, and do not forget to subscribe. Yes, you need to hit the subscribe button if you really rock with me. I know a lot of y'all just like pulling up on me, listening, and you just turn these videos on, but you have to hit the subscribe button if you really rock with me. Help push us to 26K. We're right there. So I got an update, a Shiba Inu update, Shiba Inu coin, Shiba Inu token. The markets are being absolutely beat down to the ground, but this is a good buying opportunity for smart money and wise investors. So remember, I always teach y'all not to just invest everything you have at one time. You always want to, let's just say, for instance, if you had $1,000, you wouldn't just dump that $1,000 on one project at that one moment. What you would do is invest a portion of it, possibly break that 1,000 up into, five into fifths, so $200 each time you possibly invest. You could start your position with 200. That way, if the price pulls back, you can dollar cost average and buy another 200. If the price dips even further, you get the opportunity to buy it again for even cheaper. If the price dips again, you'll still have $200 to buy again. And even if it dips another time, you will still have $200 to buy again. So that's why it's important not to just dive in, but come join our private investment community on Facebook, private stock market game, so that way you can learn more investing knowledge like this. Now we got an update from Shytoshi, some more secret coded announcement. Shytoshi put CK1 with the eyes up there, so if y'all can see that here. Now a lot of people are speculating at what they believe this means. I'm not sure what it means, to be honest. I just looked through the comments to try to see what people were speculating. I wish we could just get some update without it being coded. Let's just get some exciting information. Just let us know what it is, Shytoshi. We ready for the news. We need some very good news right now, even though I'm not worried about SHIB's price right now. I'm more saying we need news, new catalysts, just for the overall benefit of SHIB, because I understand when the market is irrational, when we flip to like a bear market like it's looking now, you can't do anything about it. Everything is gonna follow Bitcoin. Look at the prices right now. We broke under 30,000. How many of y'all, drop in the comment section, if you really rock with me, drop in the comment section and put, if you remember when I called, we were going back down to a $30,000 Bitcoin. Now, it looked crazy when I said that, because that was right before we started to go to all-time highs. So, it was like, or maybe right after that point. But it was like, we got this on the clock. The chart is showing us that the price likely wants to pull back to that $30,000 level. Now, here it is. If y'all were listening to me, y'all been following, y'all should have been expecting this. And, we've been, being wise on the way down, with certain projects. I tell y'all, if it's 10% or more on a discount for the day, then you might have yourself a buying opportunity. Bitcoin is down 10% right now. Now I told y'all I like to pull the trigger. I put my sights on it at 10% down. I like to pull the trigger at 15%, unless it's something that I really like Bitcoin at 10%, down 11% for the day, down to that $30,000 level where I predicted we would be going to. That is a good buying opportunity. Ethereum at 2276, down 11% for the day. That is a good buying opportunity. BNB at 306, that is an excellent buying opportunity. You almost got 14.5% right there down for the day, and 20% for the week. We got Ethereum down 18% for the week, and Bitcoin is down 19% for the week. So that's why I say these are still good buying opportunities, because even though it hasn't hit 15% for the day, we still have a 15% discount for the week. So prices 1 week ago were 20 or almost 20% higher than they were today. So anybody who bought at that time, they're down right now. They're probably upset, but they got the opportunity to add more to their position for a cheaper price. So straight discount. Now let's take a look at SHIB. We got SHIB back under 15, 14.99 right now, down 19.9, almost 20% for the day. I know a lot of y'all out there panicking. Maybe not. I'm talking about the new ones to my channel that hasn't learned the discipline on, how not to feel that emotional pain when the prices are falling like this. I teach to never invest more than you're willing to lose. If you stand by that principle, you will not feel the pain when the market does something crazy like this. Now, a lot of people are holding on, by the hair on their chinny chin chin, praying that it doesn't go further. But, those are the people who might have put too much money in. They might have risked money that they shouldn't have been putting in. But if you were one of the ones where I said, little money that you got to the side that you can afford to risk, that you will not miss, put that in there. Those people are cool. Those people are chilling. They're taking this opportunity to buy even more. Why? Because they didn't put in more than they're willing to lose, and they didn't invest all their money at one time. That's the key. A lot of people ask me, like, how are you able to keep buying the dip? Now, don't get me wrong. I'm not buying every single dip. But at key support levels, if I like what it's looking like, then I'm buying that dip. And that's what I try to teach y'all. I'm not trying to tell y'all, remember, this is not financial advice. I'm not trying to tell y'all what to buy, when to buy, how to buy, whatever. I'm just trying to give y'all better information so you can use that data and make your own decision from that. So if Bitcoin to you doesn't look like a deal at 30K, and with my information telling you why it's a good deal, then it's fine. It's not. You can possibly wait till it goes lower. Let's take a look and see if Bitcoin, possibly wants to even pull back lower, where our next level of support is. So we can see basically at that 2982 level is our next area of support. And you can notice it's a strong level there, because 1, 2, 3, we got 4 different spots in the chart pointing to that level. So it might just wick down quickly to that 29 range and then possibly find support there. Now, if it falls below there, we officially in a bear market, y'all. Already things are bearish. Over the long term, we can still see this trend still technically, still on an upwards trend. It's bad right now. Even if we go from here, though, we broke that upwards trend. So we pretty much broke it here once the prices fell through here, retested it, was rejected, and pushed all the way down here. Now, hopefully we can find some support and it doesn't dip below this range here. But I can tell you that even if it does, if it goes here, we will be buying. If we see that $28,000 Bitcoin, because it's really saying 28,895. If we see that, that's an extreme discount. Now, of course, everybody's not going to have the money to buy it. And, it's not like you got to buy a whole Bitcoin. You could put, if you got $5, $10, if you want to be wise, with your investing. And like, a lot of people look at this as, well, I try to get a lot of people to look at it as like, just because you invested money doesn't mean it's spent. Some people think because they invested the money, now it's gone. You're putting it there for a later date. Your future self will thank you for that. So let's say you have some money that you're not trying to spend right now anyway. You might as well invest that money on an oversold asset that's right now undervalued. So that's all I'm trying to share with y'all. But let's take a look at some of these comments with people's guesses of what this CK1 could mean. Somebody put Chicken Kiev 1 equals the first winner. I'm not sure if they mean for the Wellies menu. Someone else put like it's a mixture of, some drugs. I got a lot of replies to it right there. Not sure. A lot of people, the number one response I seen was people saying something to do with Calvin Klein. So if you see that you have this Calvin Klein 1 bottle here, so potentially could it be a SHIB partnership with the Calvin Klein brand? That would be interesting. Maybe with the John Richmond's collab, we possibly could have, made some connections in that fashion, industry lane possibly, and have something coming out like this. But I'm not too sure on that. So let's take a look at some of the quoted tweets. Someone says the metaverse AAA studio. Someone else says Calvin Klein. A lot of people just trying to guess. Now let's take a look at the Reddit page. Now we're under 1,000 members active online right now in here. Oh, we were just at 9, but it just picked up a little bit. We just got over 1,000 right now, so that's good to see. Daily discussion. Let's check out that thread. So someone says, look at the entire crypto and stock market. Everything is down. Do not let this worry you. I understand not wanting to purchase more, and that's fine. I am in no way, shape, or form a financial advisor, but my strategy is buying at every step of the way on the descent. I'm also doing this on other crypto. These prices across the board mostly hasn't been seen in over a year. Don't sleep on getting locked in to an amazing price for great returns down the road. Also, don't put in more than you can afford to lose. This isn't going to be quick money. Buying during these times could take a while to recover, but could be life-changing if you take advantage and be smart with your money. So this person is basically saying something similar to what I was saying. I got to agree with what they're saying. This could be a long process. This could be a long journey. A lot of people wonder, how long could this remain? The markets can remain irrational longer than you can remain solvent. So, as long as you're thinking, I can hold for this long and things should turn back around by then, that's a wrong way to think, because it can stay down even longer and cause you to start to panic. So you might as well just accept the fact that, the price is down right now, the markets are heading down, and we're just going along for the ride. A lot of this money that we built up in our portfolios over time is money that, we're already not touching. We already have, what we do. We got our other streams of income, and that's just investing money. So if you're looking at your portfolio like you got to live, and eat off of it, then maybe you got too much in there. You should, take a different strategy to, building up your portfolio, so that way, if you could put dinner on the table, it doesn't depend on, if Bitcoin is down 10% for the day. So that's all we got for this video. Just want to keep y'all updated. And I appreciate y'all for rocking with me, man. Shout out to all y'all that's been holding it down on the channel for over, well, the channel, not a year now, but almost, actually it's been a year. It has been a year on the channel, I think. Let me see. It definitely has. So shout out to y'all, man. Salute. But shout out to y'all inside of my private Facebook group on private stock market game. We had that group now about 2 years now. So that's where this all started at. So the Facebook group came before the YouTube channel with the investment information that we're putting out. So shout out to y'all, that the double OGs to the channel. And that's all we got, man. We finna keep it moving, and we are out.